In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase DPI of an image in Canva. If you've ever downloaded an image from Canva and it looked a little soft when printed or stretched on a website, this is for you. In simple terms, DPI, or dots per inch, is about how much detail your image has when it's displayed or printed at a certain size. While Canva doesn't show a DPI number directly, it lets you increase the pixel dimensions at download, which effectively boosts the detail and gives you a higher usable DPI. Start by opening the project you want to export. Once you're in your design, head to the top right corner and click Share. From the menu that appears, choose Download. This is where you decide your file type and control image size. Select either PNG or JPG. PNG is generally better for crisp graphics, logos, text, or anything that needs clean edges and optional transparency. JPG is a solid choice for photographs and will usually result in a smaller file size. Now look for the size slider. As you drag that slider to the right, you'll see the width and height in pixels increase. That number is important. More pixels mean more detail. If you plan to print, higher pixel dimensions will translate into a higher DPI at the same physical size. For example, an image that's 3000 pixels wide can print about 10 inches wide at 300 DPI. You don't need to do any calculations here. Just know that moving the slider right gives you more pixels to work with and a sharper result. Keep an eye on the pixel dimensions shown as you adjust. The aspect ratio of your design will stay the same, so you won't distort your layout by increasing size. However, pushing the size very high can create large files, which may take longer to download and upload, so find a balance between quality and practicality. If your original design elements are tiny or low resolution to begin with, increasing the size won't magically add real detail, so it's always best to start with high-quality images inside your design. Once you're happy with the file type and the size slider is where you want it, go ahead and click Download. Canva will process your request and save the higher resolution image to your device. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click Share, choose Download, pick PNG or JPG, drag the size slider to the right to increase the pixel dimensions, and download. With this simple adjustment, your images will look crisper on screens and sharper in print.